Hey guys, in this video I'm going to take out the default screen protector on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra for the first time. Now this device here comes with a default screen protectors right here. So I'm just going to try to get a focus in, and you can see there is a screen protector right here. If you look in the camera right there is a default screen protector, as well as running along the edge right here, just where my fingernail is, there is a screen protector. So this one here comes with the device as the default. So I'm going to peel it out for the first time, and you can check and see on the quality of this screen protector that comes with the screen. It's not glass, it is film. So here it is. I'm going to peel it out. So you can see here it's coming off right now, and this is the actual film protectors, and this is the first time I'm peeling it off. So you can see now. Let's take a look at this screen protectors. It's very thin. You can hear it here on the sound. It's quite thin. It's not that good, but it's kind of helps if you haven't got a screen protector on your phone. You can at least use this default one. And yeah, so if you're thinking if you have got one on your device, it should comes with one as the default. Now I have heard in the United States sometimes they don't have a screen protector as the default, so you may not have one if you are in the state. Elsewhere you probably get a free default screen protector on your Galaxy S21 series. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.